In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your PayPal name. This is really useful if you've recently changed your legal name, noticed a spelling mistake on your account, or just want your PayPal profile to match the name you actually use. I'll walk you through the process step by step on a computer, and you can follow along in your own account as we go. First, open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. Sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main PayPal dashboard, where you can see your balance, recent activity, and other account details. This is the starting point for changing your name. Next, look towards the top right-hand corner of the page. You'll see a small gear icon, usually right next to the Log Out option. That gear icon is your settings button. Click on it. This will take you to your account settings page, which is where you manage personal details like your name, email addresses, and other profile information. On the settings page, you should see your current name displayed. Nearby, there will be an option that says Change Name. Go ahead and click on Change Name. PayPal may show you a few options depending on what kind of change you're making, such as correcting a minor typo or updating your name after a legal change. Choose the option that best matches your situation if you're prompted, and continue. Now you'll be taken to a screen where you can enter your first and last name. Carefully type in your new name exactly as it appears on your official documents, like your ID or passport. Take a moment to double check the spelling, because this information needs to be accurate and consistent with any documents you might provide to PayPal. Once you've entered your first and last name, click on the Continue button. At this stage, PayPal may ask you to upload additional documents to verify your new name. This is normal and is part of their security process. Follow the on-screen instructions, upload any required documents clearly and legibly, and then submit your request. After that, your job is done. PayPal will review your request and document